Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So first have a walk on the cemetery. There's a lot of wind.
To protect it from flooding, the Romanesque church of Ettelgem was built slightly higher together with the surrounding habitation. Its origins certainly go back to 1028, when the building was constructed of wood. The current building is constructed in fieldstone, a green speckled stone, and in moefen. The Romanesque-Gothic church is undergoing a new restoration. Exhibitions or other events can take place regularly. Also recommended for lovers of old cemeteries. It has not served as a place of worship since 1911. This function was taken over by the parish church in the Oudekerkstraat, which is also called the Saint-Eligius church. Today the Romanesque church is in ruins, but the contours of the original church are still clearly recognizable. There is a triangular basical shape with the choir and arcades of the central nave. These date from the 12th and 14th century. The tower dates from the 14th century. And finally, the sacristy was added in the 17th century. Because parts have been added in different centuries, you notice the different influences and styles. The church mainly resembles the Romanesque style, which is why we speak of the Romanesque church. Early Gothic influences are also noticeable in later added parts and doors.
So we have newer graves here, as you can see, and over there are the old graves.
The Romanesque church, Saint-Eligius church, was restored in 1986 till 1988, and today the church serves as an exhibition space during the summer months.
So let's have a closer look. too bad you can't get in here. Yeah, it's a very nice church. Actually, inside it's also nice. You can see it on the internet. Yeah, there's been expositions down here, so art expositions. Once a year you can enter the church, so. The restoration has been from 1986 until 1988. So that's great.
But they didn't finish it.
No, it's just this way because it's to show you the old state and the new state of the church. So yeah, it's
It's a pity because
well, yeah, they can't restore it completely. It's too old, and maybe it costs too much, you know. So yeah, well, it's already degrading again. You see, the rocks are coming loose up there. So yeah, it's
they need a lot of
after all these
renovation.
years, it's been in bad state. But you can see old pilasters here, and you can see newer pilasters. Yeah, it's actually different styles. These are made with
Ancient bricks.
yeah, bricks from nature actually, and this one is here actually a pillar made from limestone, I guess, or Amy, you coming? So we're walking to the parking now. There's also parking here for campers, if you like. And well, it's not that big, but it's nice. It's in the middle of nature. There's a picnic place, so I will show it to you. This is the parking. There you have the picnic table, and yeah.
Very nice, quiet.
Yeah, it's a quiet place. You can visit the old Roman church, and there's a lot of place here. I never seen a camper before here. There's also not no, there's no plate. You can't park here or anything like that, so you can park free here. But yeah, people have to keep it quiet. It's in the neighborhood, and there's also a bin, a trash bin, so if you have trash, please dump it in there. So, but this is a nice place, and if you turn around, then you can see in the back the church, the old Roman church from Ettelgem.